In this video, I'll show you how to change your Netflix region and access content from other countries. This is a simple method that will unlock new movies and shows. Let's get started. First, open the link in the description to go directly to the NordVPN website. Once you're on the website, look for the Download App button. Go ahead and click on that, and it will begin downloading the setup file for NordVPN. After the download is complete, locate and open the setup file. A pop-up window will appear, asking you to choose where you'd like to install the app. Pick your preferred installation location, click Next, and then sit back and relax while the installation finishes up. Once the installation is done, go ahead and open NordVPN. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. Click on Create Account and follow the easy steps to sign up. After you're logged in, click the big Connect button. Now you'll see a list of countries and regions. Choose the country whose Netflix content you want to access. Once you've selected your preferred country, wait for NordVPN to establish a secure connection. Once NordVPN is connected, open your browser and type Netflix in the search bar. Click on the official Netflix website, then tap on Sign In. Enter your login details, and you'll be redirected to Netflix, as if you're in the region you selected. Now, search for any TV show or movie. You'll notice that the content available to you has changed, and you'll have access to shows and movies that were previously unavailable in your country. To make it even easier, I've included a link to NordVPN in the description below. Click the link to try NordVPN risk-free for 30 days and start enjoying Netflix content from different regions today.